Hello guys, welcome. I just woke up and I have an announcement to tell you. Come here, Jackie. My friends are going on vacation or something and we are babysitting their little baby puppy. Jackie, come here, Jackie. His name is Jack Black. Ow, don't bite me, you have sharper teeth than Sparky. Look at this, get a load of this, look at it. Oh, stop biting me. Ow! Ow, that actually hurts. Boy. No, but just look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. Scroll in on your screen. Look at those eyes. Oh. Oh, boy, come here, boy. Oh, you're so cute. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Hey, you want something to bite on? I'll go get you a toy, okay? Okay. I'll go get you one of Sparky's toys. Sparky's toys. Where do they be? Sparky has met Jack. Jackie! Whoa! Whoa, don't get in that fight! Oh. You know, when the people say they want a clean fight, this isn't clean at all. Oh, yeah, you cute boy. Jackie! Oh, yeah, you good boy. Oh, yeah, you good boy. Jackie, where do you go? Oh, you go right there. You're so little that I don't even know where you are. Hey, Jackie, you deserve to bite on this. Because you were biting me earlier. That means you want to... Oh, Sparky, don't eat him. Don't eat him, Sparky. Jackie. I'm thinking about taking him upstairs. Actually, that's a good decision. Yeah, that's right, Sparky. You chew on Ellen now. Bobby, go upstairs. See, you can... Oh, get a load of that. Just get a load... Hey, Sparky! Look at that. Look at that face. Look at that face. Look at that. Look at that. He's looking into your soul. That's right. He's looking into your soul. That's right. You got me right. Looking into that fine soul you have there. It's Sparky there. Sparky looking into your soul too. But I've never calling this puppy Cutie Widow Cutie Hands. Because that's Sparky's nickname. And nobody can take away Sparky's nickname. Oh! Let's put them on the bed. Oh, come on. You just had to step on the camera. Now, I'm going to leave these two here. See what they think. By the way, Jack sleeps on my bed. That's where he sleeps. In that container. Oh, he's too young. He's too young to know. That's so cute. Jackie's so cute. Who's so cute? Jackie's so cute. Jackie, come here. Come here. You ever wanted to be a viral video? This is it. This is your chance. What do you want to say to the camera? What do you want to say to the camera? What do you want to say? Hey, look at yourself. Look at yourself. Look at yourself in the camera. Look at yourself in the camera. Look at it. Look at it. Look at yourself in the camera. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Okay, let's put you back up with your best friend, Sparky. Oh, you have another toy, boy. You have another toy. Hey. Sparky, that's not yours. That's not yours, Sparky. Yeah, Sparky, I love you and all. But this is your toy. Jackie boy. Jackie boy. Who's that so cute little boy? Jackie's just so cute little boy. Yeah. And Jackie. Oh, Sparky, I'd like it if you got it. Oh, alright. Jackie's littler. So I want him to do this. Okay, Jackie. Who's a good boy? Who wants to get on the rolling chair? Jackie wants to get on the rolling chair. You can see what I've done already. Oh, Jackie. I am recording. Those are not very nice words to say on YouTube. Okay, Jackie? Jackie's so cute and little. Who's so cute and little? Jackie! Jackie is! Yes, you are! Yes, you are! See, he cuddles with me. He cuddles. He's a cuddler. What can I say? Don't judge people. Or dogs, because they're cute. Hey, don't you dare bite me! Don't you dare bite me! Oh, nope. Nobody. You're a cutie. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. It's not cuter than Sparky, though, because Sparky don't eat his tail. I'm going to go shut you on this. You can see what I've got in my door. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Cutest thing ever right here. Cutest thing ever. Cutest thing ever. Okay? Okay. So, Puppy, don't get scared. Don't be afraid of heights. Don't be afraid of heights. Because this is the Puppy Show. Yeah, today in the Puppy Show, I'll be talking about me being a puppy. Puppies are awesome, and I like puppies. Well, no wonder that. You are a puppy. I think we all know that. Okay. Hey, boy, come on. You're cute boy. Who wants to turn around? You're turning around. And you're turning around. And you're turning around. And you turn. Okay, I can't do this. Making me dizzy. Well, what should I do for the outro to this video? Bless your face. If you sneeze in this video, bless you. Peace off. Boop. Wait. Boop. No. Boop. No.